what's up? Bush Sage here with another Pokemon unboxing video. Today we're doing Celestial Storm Booster Box. If you guys are unfamiliar with these, they carry 36 packs and they usually contain the most value out of all the ways to buy Pokemon cards randomly. So we're gonna crack this open with my Totodile bookmark. My Totodile bookmark. We're only gonna open up 6 packs today, and we're gonna save the rest for pack versus pack. So we'll go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll put those ones to the side. Rayquaza. Now the most valuable card in this set is the Secret Rare Rayquaza, worth about 80 bucks. And as always, when we open them, we go code card, 1, 2, 3 to the front, burn the energy, and we're going to go with Loudred, Energy Recycle, reduce reuse, the Shrine of Punishment, I won't shame you, Beldum, Wailmer, Play-Doh Spinarak, Larvitar, Slackoff presenting, Acrobike as the reverse, and a holographic Steelix. And it knows Tackle. Now we're gonna go with Jirachi, if you remember this little chibi from the anime. We got a little Slackoff staring at us. Here's the code card. 1, 2, 3. Burn the energy. And we've got TV Reporter. It's kind of like just a worse Howl. Dunsparce. The dude who evolves into Druddigan. Last Chance Potion. Not sure what happened to the other ones. What's that thing on it? Maybe a Kecleon. Another Slackoff. Surskit. Slug. Larvitar. Whisper. Sky Pillar. That's from Diamond and Pearl. And isn't that a Yu-Gi-Oh card? Stakakakakakataka. Okay. Here's the code. 1, 2, 3. Energy. Let's go. We got Love Disc, but skinny. Sableye. The Masked Royal. Bellsprout. Wailmer. Beldum. Spoink. Beyblade. Reverse Hollow Regirock. That looks interesting. And you disgust me. Alright, we got everybody's favorite chicken. Oh, there's regular Love Disc. Oh shoot, I forgot to do the thing. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Fighting energy. We got a Friend Ball. Ooh, Candy. Matang. Love Disc. Electrike. Seedit. Wingull. It's got a little boat there. Spoink. Voltorb as the reverse, and another Regirock. Maybe I could just start collecting them. Alright, let's go back to Rayquaza. Okay. Code card. 3 to the front. Energy. We got Swallow. You dirty dog. Underground Expedition. What's with the eyes on that one? We got Ore. Sprout. Beldum. Spoink. Beyblade. Ah, let's make that joke a few more times. Spinarak as the reverse, and... Alright. We haven't gotten anything too good. We got like one holo, so, give me luck, Jirachi. You're the wish Pokemon. We got that love disc again. Come on, show me some love. A fire energy. We got Acrobike. Super Scoop. Jinx. Love Disc. Electrike. Seedit. Wingo with the little boat. Spink. Underground Expedition as the reverse. And... Claydol! We're gonna unbox all the rest of these with guests. That'll stretch the time out. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to smash that. No. Don't forget to Reggie rock the like button and Steelix subscribe. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, Bush Sage out.